Well, I've reached a point like a lot of collectors where I have more coins than I can really just display on a shelf anymore. So I decided to go with this 5 drawer or 5 shelf shadow box display case. I like that it has a nice strong hinge, good glass front. The drawers are removable, so I do have a couple that are larger, so I'll probably end up removing this top shelf, or actually maybe this one of the other shelves, but I have some stuff that's a little taller, so that was one of my concerns. It also has like a felt background, which I think is good. It gives it like a nice kind of matte background. The bottom shelf doesn't come out, all the other shelves do. Has good strong hangers on the back, and it comes with the hardware to install them right away. So I'm looking forward to having my collection on the wall, and so up off the shelf, and now I can expand my collection. I think this would be a great gift as well. Hope this helps.